Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the complete process of installing mods for My Winter Car using the official updated mod loader framework. Your very first step is heading over to Nexus Mods to search for and download the latest version of MSC Loader, which now fully supports the new architecture of My Winter Car. Extract the downloaded folder to your desktop, open the Setup Application file, and click the Install button to bind the software directly to your primary game directory folder. Next, navigate over to Steam. Right-click on My Winter Car inside your library, select Manage, and click Browse Local Files to instantly pull up the root installation window on your screen. You will notice the installer has successfully generated a brand new folder explicitly labeled Mods. Now, download any individual modification scripts you want to try, such as advanced physics tweaks or visual enhancements, and open their compressed folders. Extract and grab all the included files, making sure to copy every single DLL file and asset folder, while leaving out the basic text README files, and drop them straight into that newly created mods folder. Finally, close out of your file manager, launch the game via Steam, and you will see the active mod menu bar populated perfectly on your screen. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.